Okay, so we are going to discuss grammar, right? I'll give you mixed exercise, mixed sentences, and then you have to answer. Is it okay? So let's begin. First, voice. I'll write the sentence. This is voice. Okay? Next. Again, voice. Yes, rhythm. Last class. Now from fourth sentence, transitive, intransitive. Okay? Transitive, intransitive. Okay, 6 sentences. And then next, let us discuss these first. Done? Done. Okay then. Okay, from first sentence, Kamini has written an article. Kamini has written an article. Be quick. Okay, Parisha. Okay. Okay. Yes. So it is an article has been written by Kamini. An article has been written by Kamini. Correct? Next is the waves are washing away the sand castle. The waves are washing away the sand castle. Now the answer is, okay, the sand castle. It is, be careful, only sand castle, not castles, right? So it is, the sand castle is being washed away. The sand castle is being washed away by the waves. The sandcastle is being washed away by the waves. Yes, Manasvi. Next is, the president will have invited the biggest party to form the government. The president will have invited the biggest party to form the government. So the answer is, okay, the biggest party will have been. Manisha, it's have. See, have is here. So it means you have to write been. The biggest party will have been invited. Yes, will have been invited by the president to form the government. Right? Will have been. Yes, correct. Next, we sent a package to our relatives in Jaipur. Okay. Verb is verb. Please mention the verb also. Verb is sent. Verb is sent and it is transitive. Correct. Sent and it is transitive. Next, the passengers waited patiently. Next, waited. Okay. Waited intransitive. Correct. Waited intransitive. Waited intransitive. Correct. Last, the teacher showed us the map of Poland. The teacher showed us the map of Poland. Showed transitive. Correct. Showed transitive. Now just change the voice of this last sentence. 6. The teacher showed us the map of Poland. Change. The teacher showed us the map of Poland. Change the verb. Change the voice. The map of Poland was showed to us by the teacher. Okay. Yes, Rhythm. Just wait. Yes, Rhythm.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am, we had been showed
No,
a
don't
map.
use have been. Simple past tense.
We were, yes, ma'am, we were showed the
Huh?
map of Poland by the teacher.
Correct. This is also correct. We were showed the map of Poland by the teacher, or the map of Poland was shown. We were shown, not showed. We were shown.
Okay.
Okay then. Now write down more sentences that is subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Yes. 8 sentences. So, one by one. Yes, good. Wait, first answer. Okay, first answer. One of these kittens dashed by a wasp is asked. Okay. Okay, so you are saying the answer is right? Yes, because we are talking about one. Is it okay? Next, the little children, along with their mother, dash at the crazy clown. Option laugh, laugh. Why laugh, not laugh? Why this, not this? Manasvi, laughed is not the option. Yes, correct. Because we have to check the first subject and it is plural. So, laughs. Next, neither the teacher nor the students dash the policy. No, knows. Knows. No. Okay, mixed answer. See, now in this case, we have to check the second subject. So, according to the second subject, as second subject is the plural, so no. Plural verb. The famous poet and writer dash coming to the theater is, yes, single article, it means we are referring to the same person. That is why is. Yes. Next, Lena as well as her cousins dash every morning. Exercise. Exercises. Exercise. The answer is exercises. Why? Same like this. When as well as is used, we check the first subject. Got it? Yes, according to the first subject. That is singular. Answer of second laugh. Sorry, answer of second laugh, not laughs. Plural subject, so laugh. Thanks, Vedanti. Next is the information dash not correct. The information is not correct. Then gymnastics dash easy for Ram. Is, again is correct. And then last is neither of the boys dash at home. Are is, correct answer is. Got it? Clear? Yes. Now, Next conjunction. From fourth conjunction, okay? That's it. Okay? Done? Done. Okay then. Okay. So, wait one by one. First, my father reads the newspaper dash. You have to fill in the blank with frequency, means adverb. Adverb. Okay, daily. Daily. Yes, correct. Daily. Daily is the correct answer. My father reads the newspaper daily. Then next is, we were looking for the lost puppy. Place. Outside, everywhere. Yes, everywhere is appropriate. Otherwise, you can write any adverb of place. We'll go with everywhere. Next, Uncle Ram sings dash when he is in the shower. Even the neighbors can hear him. Yes, it is loudly, loudly. Check the second sentence. He is in his bathroom, but still the neighbors can hear him. Got it? Then, do you know his address? Dash telephone number. I forgot to put comma. Sorry, question mark. Or and or. See, in this case, or. Is it okay? In this case, or. Next, I like her dash. She has always been nice to me. Yes, because. Because. And last, Ram likes to eat fresh fruits dash vegetables. And yes, without any doubt, answer is and. Done? No, Sadhika? And.